Hey everyone, in today's video we've been having some trouble with the door latch on our RV. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to install a brand new latch deadbolt into our RV door. So come along with us. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Corey. This is the Northwoods, where we're showing you that freedom is an adventure. And today we're going to go ahead and we're going to tackle an issue that we've been having with our door latch. Stick in and not wanting to lock properly and things like that. So we've gotten a new door latch right here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to swap this out today. So let's go ahead. We'll jump right into it.
Okay, so the latch includes the new door latch, striker plate, and all the hardware required to install. It even comes with a nice stubby screwdriver, and this latch is not keyed to the standard CH751 keys, so you can rest assured your neighbor doesn't have a key to your RV. Also, this is a standard sized RV door latch intended to fit doors with a 2.67 inch by 3.6 inch cutout, and to accommodate doors with a thickness ranging from 1.25 inches up to 1.5 inches. This is a pretty simple install, so it shouldn't take that long. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we start by removing the 4 screws on the inside of the door latch and removing the inside portion of the handle. We can then remove the 2 screws from the jamb of the door that hold the latch into place. Once all the screws are removed, we can remove the old latch from the door. We go ahead and reverse these steps to install the new latch by inserting the latch into the door, installing the 2 jamb screws into the latch, and then install the inside handle by installing the 4 screws. And lastly, we replace and adjust the new striker plate and tighten into place. We may have to adjust the striker plate for the door to latch properly. Once adjusted, make sure the door can latch and the deadbolt and door locks work properly.
So that's all there was to it. Quick, simple, easy fix today. And if you're interested in the door latch we installed, I'll put a link down in the description down below. And if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you